Today I'm gonna share with you a very useful solution for your background, for what's behind the subject. I found one of the quickest and easiest ways to set up your background for your YouTube channel, for example. Or this solution works also for when you want to make a photo shoot indoors and you need an attractive background that you can easily set up. So this solution is all about backgrounds. And speaking about them, do you like what's behind me? One of my friends that is a videographer was telling me that he doesn't like this background at all. He was telling me that it looks like you're inside a church. And yes, if I cut off the power on this LED band that shows this blue light, it really looks like I'm inside the church. And this is not too attractive for YouTube. But honestly now, it's hard to create an attractive background inside the house, especially if you don't have too much space. But this solution that I'm gonna share with you solved all my problems, and I hope that it's gonna solve your problems too. Let me show you. And this is it. I got rid of the church lights. I'm much more pleased with this result. This solution is given by a device that is standing right behind me. It's a solution that is easy and fast to set up. I can also change the colors. I can make them red, green, or however I want. This solution is given by a lamp. Let me tell you 5 things about it. It's the Godox CL10. It's an ambient light, and it was made especially for decorating the background. First thing, straight from the box, this light comes with its own stand that is rubberized at the bottom. This stand allows you to put the lamp on the table or on the floor. And another great thing is that you can detach the stand so that you can put it on your average stand vertically or even at a 90-degree angle. These are some great things for flexibility. Second thing, and some useful stuff here, the lens comes with this USB-C cable that is 2 meters long. That is a good thing. It also comes with this charger and this very useful remote. Third thing is this very useful remote control that I'm going to show you. Here we have the on and off buttons. We already know what these two do. Now here we have the colored buttons. If we press one of these buttons, the lamp will take its color. We have red, we have green, we have blue, we also have white. And also if we like one of these colors over here, we can press it and the lamp will take that color. Now if we don't like one of these colors, but some of them are close to it, we can very well press it and then change the hue. These two are the hue buttons. So we can fine-tune that color. Once we find it, we can also fine-tune the saturation here. Here, the saturation is at maximum. You can see that light blinking. And if we go down, that light also blinks because we reached the bottom side. So the light blinks if we reach the top and bottom side. Also, we have the light intensity. Now it's gonna go a little bit darker and now a little bit more brighter. Okay, and now we're gonna reach the effects. On the bottom side, we have the effects. We have this circular effect that takes us through each and every color, I believe. Also, we have this effect that mimics the flash of a camera. We have this effect that is called the laser. We have the thunder. We have the light bulb. We also have TV. These two don't do much from what I see. We have the candle, fire, fireworks, SOS. We have the police car. And I'm gonna stop here with this very interesting effect because here I'm gonna speak about these two buttons also. These two fix the speed of the effect. So we have plus and minus. As you can see, we can make the effect to go faster or slower. This is at its maximum. Now we have the ambulance, and this is the fire truck. Very interesting effects. But one of the most interesting is this one. With this effect, the lamp is sensitive to noises. As you can see, when I speak, the lamp also speaks, if I can say that. So with the help of this remote, you can do a lot of things with this lamp. Moving on to number 4. The lamp also works with a power bank. If you forgot the power brick at home, you can very well use a power bank and the lamp will work. 5th, this lamp has an app. It is available on Android or on iPhones, and you can use it to choose better the colors that you like. It has different modes so that you can use the one that you like the most. Also, here you can find the effects that we found on the remote control. So, very interesting and useful that this lamp has also an app. Okay, now that we learned 5 things about this lamp, let me give you a tip on photo and a tip on video while using this lamp. If you're doing a photo shoot indoors, make sure not to point this lamp always at the background. It's a much more cooler effect if you point it directly at the subject. Let me just close this main light and see what a beautiful cyberpunk effect it gives. Also, if you have 2 lights, you can put 2 colors on your subject. As you can see in this photo, this looks awesome. My second tip is for video. I'm using this main light that is a Godox CL10. It's a big source of light, it's powerful, and it's too close to my ambient light. As you can see, it dims its impact. If this light was turned off, you can see how dramatic the background light really is. But I have to keep it open because you have to see me, right? So make sure to have a smaller light source, a bit more dimmer, and a bit more far away from the background if you want a more dramatic scenery. This was it for today, guys. I hope that this solution for the background helps you. If it does, please press that like button, and I'm gonna see you next time.